Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your audio and Unity assets. Import the music file into the project window now. Set the clip to loop. Once done, create an audio mixer and a dedicated group so you can control volume and effects globally. Make sure the audio source component will reference the clip you imported. Also decide load type. Streaming saves memory for long tracks. Decompress on load gives lower latency. From here, you have the clip mixer and group ready. Move to scene setup. Now you set up the scene to play background music. Create an empty game object called Music Manager and attach an audio source component. Assign your imported clip, enable loop, and disable play on awake so you control start timing. Route the output to the audio mixer group you made earlier, which lets you apply volume automation or effects later. Make sure spatial blend is 0 for non-3D music. Finally, prepare a simple script to call audio source. Play when the scene is ready, which gives you predictable playback control. Finish by scripting playback and persistence. Create a short C# script that references the audio source and calls play. When the scene initializes, use don't destroy on load to keep Music Manager across scenes. Once done, add fade and /out coroutines tied to mixer snapshots for smooth transitions. If you hear nothing, check the audio listener presence, mixer group routing, and that volume or mute switches aren't engaged. Also verify the clip import load type, and that loop is enabled. These fixes resolve most silent or non-looping issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.